Welcome to Lesson 7, Synonyms, Antonyms, and Word Precision. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to define and distinguish synonyms and antonyms. Choose words based on context, tone, and precision. Avoid repetition and filler language in speaking and writing. Replace overused words with more specific or expressive alternatives. Practice refining expression through word replacement activities. Section 1. The power of precision in language. Why word choice matters. Every word you use shapes your message, reflects your confidence and clarity, influences how people interpret your tone and intent. Words are like tools. The better they fit the task, the more effective your communication becomes. Section 2. Synonyms. Say it differently. What are synonyms? Synonyms are different words with similar meanings. They help avoid repetition and add depth or tone. Example: happy has synonyms like joyful, more emotional. Content: calmer tone. Cheerful, light and friendly. Synonyms in context. Let's explore the word say in different settings. Original synonym. When to use, say state formal writing, say claim. Argumentative tone, say whisper. Quiet or secretive tone, say declare public or official tone. Exercise. Choose the best synonym for the sentence. He said he was innocent. A declared B, mumbled C, claimed D, whispered. The answer depends on tone and context. Section 3. Antonyms. Knowing the opposite. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Knowing them helps. Improve vocabulary. Deepen understanding, make contrasts clearer word. Antonym: generous, stingy, calm, anxious, simple, complex. Increase, decrease, honest, deceitful. Quick match. Match each word to its antonym. Success, dash passive, dash include, dash advance, dash tidy, dash. Answers: failure, active, exclude, retreat, messy. Section 4. Choosing the right word. Context matters. Words can be similar but not interchangeable. Compare these. Childlike versus childish. Childlike equal positive, innocent, pure. Childish equal negative, immature. Slim versus skinny. Slim equal flattering, skinny. Equal possibly insulting, cheap versus affordable. Cheap equal low quality or price. Affordable equal within budget. Polite tone-based word choice. Table word formal. Neutral, informal. Start, commence, begin, kick off, help, assist, help, give a hand, end, conclude, finish, wrap up, fix, repair, fix, patch up. Complain, protest, express concern. Rant activity. Rewrite these informal sentences using more formal or precise vocabulary. He kicked off the meeting. She fixed the broken chair. They wrapped up the event quickly. Section 5. Repetition and filler words. Avoiding weak expression. Common repetitive or filler words that weaken writing, speaking. Very, really, stuff. Like, things. Example: before. I was very, very tired, and the whole thing was just like, really hard. After, improved. I was exhausted and the experience was extremely challenging. Power substitutes for very words. Very phrase. Stronger word: very tired, exhausted, very happy, elated, very angry, furious, very fast, rapid, very big, enormous. Section 6. Word replacement activity. Instructions. Replace the underlined words with stronger, more precise, or less repetitive alternatives. Original paragraph. I had a very good day at work. I was really happy with the results. The manager was very nice. We had a very nice conversation about stuff and things we could do better. Improved version. Example: I had an excellent day at work. I was delighted with the results. The manager was kind. We had a productive conversation about improvements. Practice. Rewrite this passage using synonyms, better tone, and precise word choices. It was a really big meeting. Everyone was very busy, and we talked about a lot of things. Some people were kind of confused, but we tried to help them. Section 7. Speaking activity. The word precision challenge. Prompt. Choose one of these situations and describe it twice. Telling a friend about a good day. Describing your role at work. Explaining a challenge you overcame. First, use basic vocabulary. Then, upgrade your word choice using synonyms and refined tone. Goal. Show how word choice changes tone, confidence, and clarity. Section 8. Review and checklist. I can define and use synonyms to avoid repetition. I can identify antonyms to enhance contrast. I understand word precision in context and tone. I practiced replacing fillers with powerful words. I applied precise word choice in written and spoken form. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.